Hi everyone, I'm back again with today's Bartleby's tips and tricks video. So this semester I'm aiming for my best GPA yet, but in order to do that I need to get A's on all 5 of my finals, which is gonna be really hard, but because I have Bartleby to help me, I think I'll be able to do it. And last semester I ended up getting A's on all of my finals by using these tips I'm about to share with you guys. So I can't guarantee that everyone's gonna ace all their finals, but these can definitely help you do way better than you've done before. I know this sounds kind of lame, like who has a bedtime in college? But when it's like finals week, you really want to try to go to bed kind of early so you can get a good night's sleep, because even if you cram the night before, it's seriously not going to help. I'd rather just try to study during the day, and if I don't know everything by around 10 or 11 o'clock, I'm just going to go to bed because I know I won't be able to remember it. When I write all of my notes down, I like to, after studying for a while, I like to summarize them and categorize them in different colors. I don't know if that's weird, but it helps me remember it way more, because if I'm taking the exam, I can think back to the pink section, the blue section, and remember what I wrote in those sections. I think writing notes is so boring, especially just with pencil or black pen or something, but when you have colorful pens, it literally gets me excited, because I just really like organizing stuff in color code, I guess, because I'm a colorful person, as you can see. And so yeah, I think this is a really good tip. This one isn't the most fun, but it's definitely necessary. I would say try to make a study schedule. I don't know if anyone else does this, but it has actually helped me so much. In the back of your head, when you know you have to study, you're already stressed, and throughout the day you're like, okay, I have to spend 2 hours studying. So if you make a schedule where you plan out 2 or 3 hours a day of you studying, you will be way more successful, because you know what times you have to study and you know when you're available to do it. And I think that it helps you not cram, because then you don't have to wait to the last minute. So making that study schedule is definitely something really helpful. So routines are really great, but switching it up can also be really helpful sometimes. So this semester, a bunch of my classes are still online, which really sucks because I'm stuck in bed basically all day, or just on my couch or at my desk, and I just feel trapped sometimes. So when I really want to study and get out of my apartment, I leave and I go to my favorite coffee shop, or it's been getting really warm where I go to school. So I've been going outside on the main lawn and putting a blanket down and studying there. And it's really nice, especially with the fresh air and everything. So if you guys have a routine, I would say stick to it. But if you're getting bored and you think you're not studying as well, definitely change it up. Go to the library, go to a coffee shop, go to a friend's apartment, anything, and it'll probably really help you guys. If you guys don't know this already, this is the best tip, and it is to use Bartleby Plus when you're studying. So they have concept explainers, textbook solutions, live chat, and their Q&A feature, and everything is 24/7. So sometimes when I'm studying until 6 in the morning, sometimes that happens, I can just go into Bartleby if I'm confused about something and look it up, and it's awesome. So if you guys like Bartleby, comment down below, tell me your favorite feature. If you guys don't know what it is, you can get a free discount for your first week, and just click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys use all the tips that I told you about.